Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unmute on Zoom. So let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom app and make sure you are logged in. Then start a meeting or join on. When you are in a Zoom meeting, look at the bottom left corner of the Zoom window. You will see a small microphone icon. If there's a red line through it, it means that you are muted. To unmute yourself, just click the microphone icon once and the red line will disappear. Now you are unmuted. You can also use a shortcut, press Alt plus A on your keyboard. This quickly toggles between mute and unmute without clicking anything. It's very useful when you are busy taking notes or presenting your screen. Sometimes you might find that clicking the mic doesn't work. In that case, it could be because the meeting host has muted all participants. You will have to wait for the host to allow you to unmute. And that's it. Now you know how to unmute on Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.